I am on the way to do like a Galentine's meetup with Joan, Jackie, and Simone, my friends. We're meeting at, remember that really cute bar that did like a Grinchmas theme? And I went with Aubrey. Well, now they're doing a Valentine theme. So of course I had to fit the theme. You will see later that I'm wearing my jacket that has the heart pockets and a red lip, some red little earrings. My headband has hearts on it. I still wore my hair up because I was not ready to wash my hair today. I wanted to wait till tonight. Anyways, I'm on my way to go and meet them right now. Hopefully there's parking. Say a little prayer there's princess parking for me. The only time I hate going somewhere new is because of that. Because usually the really fun, cool new places don't have the best parking near them for some reason. So I will of course show you when we get there how cute it is.
It's as simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. It will never grow old, even when we grow up. It's up to us to stop and smell each roll.
Okay, quick Costco haul, and most of these things are for my higher protein, lower calorie days. The only thing that isn't are these ravioli. But I mean, how cute are these? Italian 4 cheese, they're heart-shaped. I mean, super cute for Valentine's or Galentines. So had to get that, but also got, let's see, we've got some edamame. These are made with avocado oil and just sea salt. There's 14 grams of protein per serving, and it's literally just edamame in the ingredients. Edamame, sea salt, and avocado oil. So this is a great snack, high protein snack, 120 calories for a third of a cup. So going to be enjoying those. Some PB Fit. This is the organic roasted peanut butter powder that you mix in water to make a peanut butter paste, where you can put it into your smoothies easily to get more protein, and it's less calories than adding peanut butter. Organic dried mangoes. These are the ones that have no added sugar. It's the unsweetened, unsulfured, just straight organic dried mango. Best little snack that makes me feel so good because it's sweet and I like a little sweet treat. More Premier protein and vanilla because it's my staple. Organic blueberries. Also got some grass-fed beef sticks, the Kirkland ones that are comparable to the Chomps. 100 calories per stick, and it's just nice to have that for like a higher protein snack during the day. Some Laughing Cow. I actually shared this with my parents because I did not need a 4-pack myself, but do like having these on hand. Some pomegranate seeds that are already like pre-done, so I could bring these to work with me. Almost forgot this, the oats overnight in fudge brownie and cookies and cream. I've actually never tried these, but I've heard really good things about them. And 30 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber in each pack. It did come with a shaker bottle, which is pretty cool. And I split this with my parents as well because it's something that they can use too. Some salad, Mediterranean crunch. This is the first time I'm trying this out. Figured I could split it into a couple individual salads for the week for my lunches to meal prep. Okay, leave it to me to wait until I look like this and I'm sick. I have a cold. But I need to film this. There's a few things that I've gotten for PR packages and gifts and Valentine stuff that I want to share with you before I end up posting the Valentine home decor video. This is why I have like a Valentine headband on, because I try to, we're friends, right? Like I can come to you like this, sounding like this, red nose, and all, and we're good, right? Okay, let's start the haul. My mom went to Five Below without me. Oh, I know. But it's probably good because I don't need to buy anything. But she ended up getting me one or two things. This cute snack box that looks like a heart and has little compartments. So I will be making a healthy snack box to bring to work because I like doing bento box things like the ones at Starbucks I always would get. So this is like perfect for me to make my own. She also got me this cute journal from Five Below, and it just has like lined pages. I love little journals like this. These I'm pretty sure she got at Hobby Lobby, but I'm not 100%. And obviously to put little treats in for friends. Oh, sorry, and one more thing from Five Below is this adorable bag. Like carry-all tote. And it's double-sided, so the inside is this pretty check. Isn't that so nice? And it's, sorry if you can hear Holly barking, I gotta bring her inside right now, but look how cute this garland is. Hobby Lobby, super, super cute. Okay, this set is from Target. How freaking cute. It says Hopeless Romantic, and it has like a fuzzy interior, so it's so soft, and these are the sweatpants that match it. And surprise, surprise, I'm going to Disney before Valentine's Day. So I wanted to be Valentine themed. So look at these ears, I can't even. They are so freaking cute with the little hearts. They were made for me. And this one I grabbed when it was 25% off, I think it was. $25 off or 25% off, one of those. I thought I wasn't gonna get it and then decided to because it's so cute. I love that their tails are heart, like a heart. So cute. This is a velvet caviar case, actually my mom's, but we ordered it together because it was buy one, get one free. So this is her case and this one's my case, but I actually do have a different velvet caviar case. I'll put it right here on the screen on my phone right now for Valentine's. And then, are you kidding me? Urban Decay sent me a package. I was so excited. And inside this is the packaging. It's about to fall apart. But this is their retractable liners, liquid liners, and then also their tubing mascara, Tube Job it's called. That's amazing. Pixie also sent me a box. They're always so generous. I'll probably gift this to a friend though because it's more for someone with acne prone skin. So I think this is such a beautiful set, so I'll make sure to pass that to someone that needs it. The last thing I had to get done today, because I finished laundry. Do you see those freaking dishes in the sink? I need to finish that, but I think I need to rest first, so I'm gonna take a rest. Feeling very blessed because Bloom Pop sent me a variety pack of their sodas. I've spoken about this a few times now. This is my favorite prebiotic soda now, and it's low in sugars. Has 20 calories, around that usually for each one, and then 3 grams of sugar. So significantly less than a regular soda. I've never tried this one yet, the watermelon lime. I'm so excited for that. I have tried the Shirley Temple and loved it. Also, here's raspberry lemonade and a strawberry cream, and I've not tried those either. So as I try these, I will tell you what I think. My amazing mom made me chicken noodle soup since I'm not feeling well. She's literally the best. So about to have some of that. And of course, if there's chicken involved, this one's definitely next to me. She's next to me no matter what though, really. Right, babies? What do you want? I just got home and went directly into PJs because I need to rest, and hopefully the extra rest tonight will make me feel much better tomorrow, because I'm still feeling a little rough today. But a good friend and subscriber of mine, Serena, sent me a belated Christmas gift, and there was lots of sweet things in it, and I'm not going to be able to film it where you can see me. I'm just going to show you the items really quick, because I started just like using them or putting them away, and I realized I didn't show you guys. So let me show you that real quick. She was way too sweet. She got me like bath bombs and a candle and lotions. These lotions I'm excited to try, the Emily in Paris ones from Bath & Body Works. I didn't even know about those, to be honest. What are these? I didn't even look. Argan Oil Collagen Facial Peeling Gel. Oh, interesting. And this really cool cup. It's like a collector Disney cup.
which happy to tell you, Serena, that it made it all in one piece. And lots of other sweet goodies. Oh, this I have to show you. Neopets pin. Are you kidding me? So cute. And some like treats and some hair accessories. Thank you so much, Serena. It was very, very sweet of you. And Holly loves her new toy already. So I'm trying to get some editing done for the vlog tonight before I go on vacation, because I will be gone for a couple days, going to Vegas to visit family and also to go to the Sphere for the first time. We're going to be going to the Wizard of Oz experience there, so I'm really excited about that. And thankfully I am starting to feel better, but I still have some residual congestion and I'm still going to be on like an antibiotic, unfortunately, for a couple more days, but I definitely feel a lot better. And hopefully I can get this vlog finished before I need to pack. I'm not going to show you my packing because it's going to be pretty simplistic. Anyways, I will see you guys next week. And thank you as always for being so supportive and loving. I appreciate you so much.
Oh, Mom! Lions and tigers and bears. Oh, Mom!